Cristiano Ronaldo's love for goals and trophies is no secret. But CR7 actually found the love of his life off the field. He's proposed to Georgina Rodriguez. How did they meet? And how did this perfect stranger steal the heart of one of the most famous men on the planet? It all started in June 2016 for Cristiano Ronaldo and Georgina Rodriguez. Georgina was only 21 and Cristiano was 31. Back then, Georgina was a saleswoman in a Gucci shop in Madrid. Cristiano Ronaldo went there looking for summer clothes. He had an instant crush on the young woman, despite a 10-year gap. They exchanged numbers. 2 months later, their relationship started for real. The Portuguese star loves how much they have in common. Just like Cristiano Ronaldo, Georgina had a complicated childhood. Just like Cristiano, she comes from a poor family and was ready to do everything to change her situation. Just like Cristiano, her father was often absent and struggled with alcoholism. Georgina's father even spent 10 years in jail. But, just like CR7, Georgina is incredibly ambitious and determined. She packed her things and flew to Madrid, looking for a better life. She worked as a waitress in a bar, and then as a salesperson for Gucci. She worked 7 days a week to pay her rent. Those days shaped Georgina into the person she is today. An independent woman with a strong personality. Georgina had to quit her job at Gucci because she was harassed by the paparazzi. But now she's living the perfect love story with the Portuguese star. Cristiano and Georgina understand each other. She's a hard-working woman with her own goals in life. Georgina gets along perfectly well with Cristiano Ronaldo's family. Unlike Irina Shayk, his former girlfriend, who did not get along with CR7's mother. Cristiano and Georgina now have a child together, Alana Martina, born in November 2017. But recently, they had to go through a painful ordeal. Catherine Mayorga's rape accusations. The young woman claims to have been sexually assaulted by CR7 in 2009. Despite the damning evidence against her partner, Georgina stayed by Cristiano Ronaldo's side. She even supported him on Instagram. You always transform the obstacles that are put in your way into impulse and strength. I love you, Cristiano. Her unwavering support ended up convincing Cristiano Ronaldo. He's asked the young woman, his training partner, his support, the mother of his child, to marry him.